Surigao po sa inyo, no?
Surigao.
Oo.
Where's that?
Mayroon pa sila doon.
Gimbal.
27,000 hectare mangrove. Pero kalat-kalat na yun. Ito naman yung Palawan, 48,000. Malayo na malaki pa rin ang mangrove ng Palawan. Ito, maliit na portion na ito. Kalat-kalat.
I mean the storage is full.
My store is full already.
Pero 120,000 hectare mangrove forest. Other province is small mangrove forest, no enough supply of fish. In Palawan, may 48,000 hectare mangrove forest. Ayan po pala, mayroon na tayo makikita ang ahas. Bilis ang paningin.
Oh, saan? What's up?
Forward.
Ano?
Yellow green.
Yellow green.
Ayan po yung makamandag na ahas yan.
Tatalon dito sa atin.
Pag po kayo matapot, hindi yan tatalon.
Green color.
Wala siyang patalon.
Yeah, ito. Yan yung nakaho ini.
Ayan po, sundan
Ay,
niyo
that
po
one,
yung
the green one?
Oo.
The small one?
Kulay green.
Oh, green.
Ayan o, yun doon sa... Nakita yung pointer natin. Sa taas po nito. Ayan o.
You can make a zoom on the tree.
Where is it, Papa? You see,
Here.
Yeah,
you see
the
the
green light.
I don't see because he hide under. Yeah, I see him.
Follow the pointer. There is a...
Sa, may green light niya yan, oh. Yan green light na nalaon. Ano yan?
Okay, wala na. Baka matap pa tayo sa kahinayan. Kayaan mo na. Ito, may pointer na rin natin.
Here we have a snake. He's a little bit behind the leaves.
Yeah, behind the leaf.
There's a snake over here.
Yan sa plastic.
Makita ang game.
Padating ay isang bangka.
Yan, auntie.
Sabi ko, padating na isang bangka. Kaya kailangan ko umalis. Let's go, boss. Other boat is coming. Nandiyan yung ahas. Baka masagin niyo yung kahoy. At the front. There is a snake at the front. Ayan na yung viper. Yung viper. Yan yung mababa. Pero baka matamaan niyo yung
Yeah,
kahoy.
you can delete it if you don't like it. I guess you don't like it because